Okay, today is Wednesday, December 3rd. Rowan has twice taken 5 steps or more by herself. You're okay. You're getting there, Rowan. You're going to have to stand up and try. Stand up and start, okay? You're okay. Here, I'll help you up. Okay. Oh, not what you wanted? Did you find a pretzel? Can you walk some more for me? Rowan. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Can you stand up? Oh, and down. Looking for that pretzel?